Paralympic India is a significant organization in India that promotes and supports Paralympic sports. They work hard to provide chances for athletes with disabilities, to highlight the remarkable talents and to develop a more inclusive society. The Esteemed Social Welfare Trust, well known for its competence in organizing events for differently abled people all around the world, brings its knowledge and Guinness World Record recognition to the Paralympic stage.
Able people here, I can't even recognize that these people are the ones who really can ramp walk and do so many things. I'm really proud of your achievements. So especially like when I got my PhD from Rome, they said you're the first person from India to obtain this degree, and I was very honored. At the same time, when I hear all these people obtaining gold medal and things like that on behalf of India, making India proud every moment, I'm really honored and privileged to stand here.
Paralympic India and the Esteemed Social Welfare Trust have announced the addition of entertainment, fashion and cultural events to the International Open Para Championship 2023. The two organizations with a joint effort aims at creating an inspiring and unique atmosphere for the viewers and participants in the presence and support of Jindal Group MD Mrs. Meenu Jindal and Padma Shri Khel Ratna Dr. Deepa Malik. A felicitation ceremony for the participant was held at the Rotary House of Friendship. This event honored celebrity international athletes, wheelchair models, artists including Miss Wheelchair World India 2017 and Para Sports Super Achiever players.
I had organized Miss Wheelchair India in 2015, and now I see that the Esteemed Trust and Shobana is doing a great job in terms of fashion for people with disabilities, and I hope it continues. And I also want to tell Shobana that we should collaborate and bring this fashion events on an international level for people with disabilities. Wow! So whenever you do something in your life, it could be the smallest to smallest things or the biggest to biggest things. Give your 100%. So this is what I tell in my TEDx talks and Ink talks, and wherever I go, I'm a motivational speaker as well.
On Sunday, the Rotary Club 3190 in Bengaluru showed their support for the gathering, showing their commitment to promote inclusivity and empowering individuals with disabilities. Paralympic India and Esteemed Social Welfare Trust are proud to announce the launch of their joint mega project, Esteemed Divyanga Award, which will introduce awards for Paralympians medalists alongside an extraordinary lineup of international level entertainment programs. This initiative aims to recognize and celebrate the outstanding achievements of Paralympians while showcasing the immense talent and spirit of differently able individuals.
And the Paralympic Society of India and Satyanarayan sir, who has inspired a lot of athletes like me to take up sports despite disability. And I also really appreciate the efforts by the Raman Foundation and Shobana ma'am to encourage people with disabilities to come forward and participate in events like the fashion show that we did for the Paralympic story. It's really a great opportunity.
Paralympic India, Esteemed Social Welfare Trust and Rotary Club 3190, through collective efforts, are striving to create a transformative experience for athletes, artists and attendees alike.
Wonderful opportunity, and I would like to thank Paralympics and Esteemed Trust Shobana for organizing this fashion show for all of us, and Rotary Club also. And this is the second time I'm receiving an award here. So proud and happy to be here.
This exceptional collaboration aims to elevate the International Open Championship to new heights.
By passion, I'm a motivational speaker, I'm a national award winner, singer and a host. So doing all these also, I never thought I would walk one day as a ramp model. Through such events, I would say that we are redefining the definition of beauty. Because whenever you say fashion show, the first thing that comes to anyone's mind is able-bodied people who walks the ramp.